Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. Hope you're doing well. So in case you don't know, this channel is all about natural hair, DIYs, basically just about me. Whatever I'm interested in, I'll show you guys. So if you're interested, please subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. Today I'll be showing you how I transformed this office space. Nothing major, just like little touches here and there, and nothing bold, because it was not supposed to be like bold, like once you come in, like bam in your face. So what I'll be doing today is just like these some little things. This yellow wall has to go, like this brown doors, I'm seeing those tiny ones, they had to go. There's a kitchen space there, but the color was not given. And above the door you can see there's a hole there. I had to somehow find a way to cover it. That was my first time doing something like that also. So let's get started. The first thing I did was to paint. I started with painting so I have enough time to finish everything, like to manage my time better, because I had like 2 days to finish this, and I think I did it at the end at 2.5 days. So in the meantime, when the paint is drying, I will just like do other projects in the office. So this office space had 3 colors going on. That was yellow, white on the ceiling and on the sides, and gray. I just felt like altogether it didn't like blend in well, and yeah, it was looking a little bit dull. So that's why I painted every yellow wall there white. So basically I just tape off the wall. I use the brush to paint all edges first, and then I roll the paint on. This part here took me or slowed me down a little bit, because I was making sure I don't stain the rug. Yeah, the rug. Yeah, but other than that, that was just a simple process. This tiles was not the vibe I was going for. I didn't like the color, the pinkish creamy color there. Yeah, I just wanted it more modern. I thought of different ways to do this, maybe peel and stick paper, wallpaper or something, but eventually I came across like different videos of people painting their towels, so I knew that's something to do. So I bought towels paint and then cleaned the surface and painted it right on. After the first coat, I let it dry. It didn't take much time, and then I painted the second coat on. This is definitely something I would recommend if you are looking for ways to improve your towels. When you're feeling down, call my phone when you're feeling lonely, and you feel me down. While the paint on the towels was drying, I continued with the hole above the door. I don't know how to do something like this. This was my first time even trying it out, but like anything I can do, I just do my research and try to figure it out. So I bought this like type of styrofoam stuff, cut it to size. I cut like 4, I think 3 or 4. I cut 3 or 4, cut it to size, place it in the hole, and I use a plaster to cover it up and make it even with the wall as much as I could. Then I went ahead to paint this wall here. I wasn't supposed to make the kitchen look bold. Obviously the kitchen, you know, is a kitchen, but it was not supposed to like be the focus point. So what I did to achieve that is that I painted the wall behind it also white, to make the tiles and the wall blend in together. You still actually see tiles are there, but it just blends in more than like a different color background and the different color tiles with a different color kitchen maybe. So I just did that to blend it more in. Let's get to the easy part. I'm covering those little doors white because there were like 4 random doors like in every corner of the room that was leading somewhere, but we don't want to see that. I didn't like the color of the wood, and yes, so the easiest way for me to blend it in more with the wall was to cover it with white contact paper. So yeah, I just went ahead, covered it up with white contact paper and stapled it just to like make sure it's secured, but you don't have to do that, and put on the handles, and that was all. Yeah, yeah.
some more gone. I go make you my wife, oh, and I go love you die, oh, till the end of time, oh. Yeah. And I go dead though, and I go dead though. Call on my phone when you're feeling lonely. And I go dead though, and I go dead though. Call on my phone when you're feeling lonely. Talk to me when you're feeling.
Now I'm taking off the tape I used before painting. I heard you're supposed to like take it right off after painting while the paint is still wet. That's the easiest way, but I wasn't sure if I was doing 1 or 2 coats. But yeah, if you're supposed to take it off immediately, if that is like true, do it right away. Wanted an accent wall, but like I told you previously, I was not supposed to do anything too loud for this office, so I went ahead and got this tape here. I got them in silver that blends well with the gray in the room, but still stands out because it's shiny. And I bought like 2 packs and just randomly placed them wherever I felt like it was okay. I didn't have anything specific in mind. I just placed as I go. If you don't feel confident doing it this way, you can always just like find a template, like Google it and like follow that template if that works better for you. This is also an easy way to elevate your space without breaking the bank, and it's also rental friendly. It's easy to take off if you don't feel like it anymore, and you can put it on any surface.
I'm not gonna kneel down for you, baby.
So the cement is dry, and now I'm just sanding down any rough areas to make sure it's smooth. I would have loved to do a second coat or layer of the cement because I felt like some areas were not level as I would want to, but I didn't have the time to do that anymore because the cement takes so long to dry and I didn't have that time to do that. So I left that. It was still fine, but not perfect. Yeah, so I painted that and I went ahead to do the kitchen. The back and forth for the right kitchen for this space was really another thing because I was trying to find like a used kitchen that is still looking very good to use for this space, which will be cheaper mostly and would already be put together, built already, so I wouldn't have to do much but all that didn't work out. I ended up buying a brand new kitchen from IKEA and I had to put that together. Thank God my husband was there. He helped me put them together, so it was a little bit faster than I thought. You've come to the end of the part 1. The final part would be coming. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bumping to you was a sign. I'm proud to say that you're mine. Bring joy to me. And I go